15 herbs to make your kidneys like new. Did you know that kidney disease is a growing problem worldwide? Many people suffer from kidney issues without even knowing until symptoms become severe. Keeping your kidneys healthy is essential for the proper functioning of your body. These vital organs play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Therefore, any kidney dysfunction can lead to serious health problems. Today, we will share with you 15 powerful herbs that can help detoxify and revitalize your kidneys. Stay with us until the end to discover what these herbs are and how they can benefit your health. These herbs not only promote kidney health but also offer additional benefits such as improving the immune system, reducing inflammation, and promoting overall well-being. Let's get started. Kidney function. The kidneys are vital organs that filter waste from the blood, regulate blood pressure, balance body fluids, and perform several other essential functions. Factors like poor diet, dehydration, excessive salt and sugar intake, and certain medications can impair kidney function. Additionally, medical conditions like diabetes and hypertension can significantly increase the risk of developing kidney disease. The main function of the kidneys is to filter the blood and remove waste and excess fluids through urine. Each day, the kidneys filter about 150 liters of blood to produce between 1 to 2 liters of urine, composed of waste and excess fluids. They also help maintain a proper balance of electrolytes in the body, such as sodium, potassium, and phosphate. Additionally, the kidneys produce hormones that regulate blood pressure, produce red blood cells, and keep bones strong. Here are 15 science-backed herbs that will help keep your kidneys healthy. 1. Parsley. Parsley has natural diuretic properties, increasing urine production and helping eliminate toxins and prevent kidney stones. This effect promotes kidney cleansing by removing harmful substances accumulated in the body. Additionally, parsley is rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and vitamin C, which protect the kidneys against oxidative damage by neutralizing free radicals and preventing cellular damage, contributing to kidney health. Parsley is also an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for overall health, strengthening the immune system, improving blood circulation, and ensuring proper kidney function. To enjoy the benefits of parsley, it can be added to salads, soups, juices, and smoothies, or used as a seasoning in hot dishes. Another popular way to consume it is through teas, which can be prepared with fresh or dried parsley leaves. 2. Dandelion. Dandelion is widely recognized for its diuretic properties, which increase urine production and help eliminate accumulated toxins from the kidneys. This diuretic effect contributes to kidney cleansing and the prevention of kidney stones. Additionally, dandelion is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, preventing cellular damage and protecting the kidneys against oxidative damage, thus promoting kidney health. Dandelion root is especially effective in detoxifying the liver and kidneys, promoting robust kidney and liver health. Liver detoxification is crucial, as the liver and kidneys work together to eliminate toxins from the body, and improved liver function can consequently optimize kidney function. Dandelion can be consumed in various ways. Tea made from the plant's leaves or roots is one of the most popular forms. Additionally, young dandelion leaves can be added to salads or other dishes, providing a versatile and healthy way to incorporate this plant into the daily diet. 3. Nettle. Nettle is known for promoting kidney function due to its rich antioxidant content, which protects the kidneys against oxidative damage, and its anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract. Additionally, nettle increases urine production, helping eliminate toxins from the body, keeping the kidneys clean, and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Nutritionally, nettle is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients not only strengthen the immune system, but also effectively promote kidney health. For consumption, nettle can be prepared in various ways. Nettle tea, made from the plant's dried leaves, is a popular way to enjoy its benefits. Fresh leaves can also be added to soups and other culinary dishes, but it is important to cook them first to neutralize irritating compounds. 4. Horsetail. Horsetail is a plant recognized for its diuretic properties, which facilitate the elimination of fluids and toxins from the body. This diuretic effect contributes to the prevention of kidney stone formation and helps keep the kidneys clean. Additionally, horsetail is rich in antioxidants that protect the kidneys against oxidative damage. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and promoting kidney health. Another important function of horsetail is the strengthening of the urinary tract. It contributes to the overall health of the kidneys and helps prevent urinary tract infections. Strengthening the urinary tract is crucial for maintaining proper kidney function and avoiding complications related to kidney health. To consume horsetail, one of the most common ways is through tea made from the plant's dried stems. This tea can be easily prepared at home. Alternatively, horsetail is available in supplement form, either in capsules or as a liquid extract, offering a convenient option for those who prefer to avoid tea preparation. 5. Peppermint. Peppermint is known for its role in relieving urinary tract infections by soothing the urinary tract and helping prevent infections. Its antibacterial and antispasmodic properties are effective in reducing the pain associated with urinary tract infections and kidney stones. Additionally, peppermint is rich in antioxidants that protect the kidneys against oxidative damage. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and promoting overall kidney health. Another important function of peppermint is improving digestion. By promoting more efficient digestion, peppermint facilitates better absorption of essential nutrients and the elimination of toxins from the body. This detoxification process is crucial for maintaining the efficient functioning of the kidneys and overall body health. To consume peppermint and enjoy its benefits, one of the most common ways is through tea, which can be prepared with fresh or dried leaves of the plant. Peppermint tea is easy to prepare and offers a refreshing way to consume this beneficial herb. Additionally, peppermint can be added to a variety of dishes, including salads, smoothies, and other foods as a seasoning. This versatility allows peppermint to be easily incorporated into the daily diet, providing its benefits in various culinary forms. 6. Green tea. Green tea is known for being rich in antioxidants, especially epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which protects the kidneys against oxidative damage. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and promoting kidney health. The presence of EGCG in green tea is particularly beneficial for maintaining kidney function. Studies indicate that green tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, capable of reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. This reduction in inflammation improves kidney function and can help prevent chronic kidney disease. The ability of green tea to combat inflammation is one of the reasons why it is often recommended for kidney health. Additionally, green tea has diuretic properties that increase urine production and facilitate the elimination of toxins from the body. This diuretic effect helps keep the kidneys clean and healthy, preventing the formation of kidney stones and other renal complications. To consume green tea, it can be prepared as an infusion using green tea leaves or tea bags. Green tea is also available as a supplement, in capsules or liquid extract, offering a practical alternative for those who prefer not to prepare the tea. Whether in drink or supplement form, green tea is an excellent addition to the diet to promote kidney health. 7. Ginger. Ginger is effective in reducing inflammation and improving blood circulation in the kidneys. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help protect the kidneys against damage caused by toxins and free radicals. By reducing inflammation, ginger contributes to maintaining kidney health and preventing complications related to oxidative stress. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger is known for improving blood circulation. Better circulation promotes adequate oxygenation and nutrition of the kidneys, which is essential for their health and efficient functioning. Improved circulation also helps ensure that the kidneys receive the necessary nutrients to perform their functions optimally. Ginger also has antibacterial properties that are useful in preventing and treating urinary tract infections. These properties help combat harmful bacteria, preventing infections, and promoting overall urinary tract health. To consume ginger, a popular option is tea, which can be prepared with fresh or dried root. Ginger can also be added to juices, smoothies, and various culinary dishes, providing a versatile and tasty way to incorporate this beneficial root into the daily diet. Its multiple forms of consumption make it easy to include ginger in the diet, maximizing its benefits for kidney and overall health. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is widely recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties, attributed to curcumin, its main active compound. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help protect the kidneys against damage caused by toxins and inflammation. In people with chronic kidney disease, curcumin can significantly improve kidney function, contributing to overall kidney health. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric is rich in antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and promoting kidney health. The antioxidants present in turmeric play a crucial role in protecting kidney cells against oxidative stress and related damage. Scientific studies show that curcumin can improve kidney function by reducing inflammation in the kidneys. This is particularly beneficial for the prevention and treatment of chronic kidney disease, as reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative damage helps keep the kidneys functioning properly. To consume turmeric, a popular way is through tea, prepared with fresh or powdered root. Additionally, turmeric can be added to a variety of culinary dishes, such as curries and soups, offering a delicious and versatile way to incorporate its benefits into the daily diet. Whether in beverages or foods, turmeric is an excellent addition to promote kidney and overall health. 9. Marshmallow Root. Marshmallow root is known for its ability to protect and soothe the lining of the urinary tracts. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation and prevent damage to the kidneys, promoting robust kidney health. By reducing inflammation, marshmallow root contributes to protecting the kidneys and urinary tract, preventing related complications. The compounds present in marshmallow root play an important role in reducing inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract. This anti-inflammatory action is crucial for maintaining kidney health and preventing diseases associated with chronic inflammation. In addition to its protective properties, marshmallow root is effective in relieving symptoms of urinary tract infections. It can help reduce pain and discomfort associated with these infections, promoting a quicker and more comfortable recovery. To consume marshmallow root, one of the most common ways is through tea, prepared with the dried root. This tea is easy to make and can be included in the daily routine to enjoy its benefits. Additionally, marshmallow root is available in supplement form, such as capsules or liquid extract, offering convenient alternatives for those who prefer to avoid tea preparation. 10. Bearberry. Bearberry is recognized for its antibacterial properties, being effective in treating urinary tract infections. It contains arbutin, a compound that converts to hydroquinone, a potent antibacterial that helps eliminate bacteria from the urinary tract. In addition to its antibacterial properties, bearberry is a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. This diuretic effect helps keep the kidneys clean and prevents kidney stone formation, promoting better kidney health. Bearberry also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract. Reducing inflammation is crucial for maintaining kidney function and preventing complications associated with kidney disease. To consume bearberry, a popular option is tea made from the plant's dried leaves. Additionally, bearberry is available in supplement form, such as capsules or liquid extract, offering convenient alternatives for those who prefer to avoid tea preparation. Whether consumed as tea or a supplement, bearberry is an excellent addition to the diet to promote urinary tract and kidney health. 11. Avocado Leaf. Avocado leaf has several beneficial properties for kidney health. Firstly, its diuretic properties help eliminate kidney stones and reduce fluid retention, which contributes to kidney cleansing and the prevention of kidney stone formation. Additionally, avocado leaf is rich in antioxidants that protect the kidneys against oxidative damage. These antioxidants effectively neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and promoting kidney health. Improving kidney function is another important benefit, as avocado leaf promotes detoxification and overall kidney health. For consumption, the leaf can be used in tea, made with fresh or dried leaves, and can also be added as a seasoning in various culinary dishes. Hibiscus has several beneficial properties for kidney and cardiovascular health, Its natural diuretic properties help eliminate toxins and control blood pressure by increasing urine production, which helps cleanse the kidneys and prevent kidney stone formation. Additionally, hibiscus is rich in antioxidants that protect the kidneys against damage caused by free radicals, neutralizing them and promoting kidney health. Another important benefit is reducing blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular and kidney health, as high blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. For consumption, hibiscus can be prepared as tea, using dried flowers, and is also available in supplement form, such as capsules or liquid extract. These various forms of consumption make hibiscus a versatile and effective option for maintaining kidney and cardiovascular health. 13. Siberian Ginseng. Siberian ginseng is known for strengthening kidney function and improving physical endurance. Its adaptogenic properties help reduce stress and improve overall kidney health. Additionally, Siberian ginseng is rich in antioxidants that protect the kidneys against oxidative damage, neutralizing free radicals and preventing cellular damage, thus promoting kidney health. Another significant advantage is improving physical endurance, which is particularly important for people with chronic kidney disease, who often feel fatigued and debilitated. For consumption, Siberian ginseng can be prepared as tea, using the plant's dried root, and is also available as a supplement in capsules or liquid extract. These various forms of consumption make Siberian ginseng an effective and versatile option for maintaining kidney health, improving physical endurance, and promoting overall well-being. 14. Milk thistle. Milk thistle offers several advantages for kidney health, including protection against toxins and promotion of cellular regeneration. It contains silymarin, a potent antioxidant that protects the kidneys against damage caused by toxins and inflammation. Silymarin neutralizes free radicals, preventing cellular damage and promoting kidney health. Additionally, milk thistle aids in the regeneration of kidney cells, improving kidney function and helping prevent chronic kidney disease. For consumption, tea can be made from the plant's seeds, or supplements are available in capsule or liquid extract form. These various forms of consumption make milk thistle a versatile and effective option for protecting the kidneys, promoting cellular regeneration, and maintaining kidney health. 15. Echinacea. Echinacea is a plant known for stimulating the immune system and preventing kidney infections. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help protect the kidneys and improve kidney function. Additionally, Echinacea contains compounds that reduce inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract, promoting kidney health. Another important benefit is preventing urinary tract infections, which contributes to better kidney health and prevents complications associated with kidney infections. Echinacea can be consumed in tea, prepared with the plant's flowers or roots, and is also available as a supplement in capsules or liquid extract. These various forms of consumption make Echinacea an effective option for stimulating the immune system, reducing inflammation, and preventing infections, promoting overall kidney health. If you know someone who could benefit from this information, share this video with them. Together, we can help more people take better care of their kidney health. Thank you for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is taking care of your life. Until next time.